Hey, this is Jake from Morello Group in Scarborough doing one of our commercial waterproofing sites. So as you can see behind me, we have just finished doing the spray application of this job. There's a few processes we have to go through before that. First process would be installing the dimple board or the drainage board, which is the first layer. The next layer is the E-Base 205, which is a product that we put over top of the dimple board to give it one smooth surface. After the E-Base is on, we detail all nail penetrations and seams with E-Fabric and E-Roll. Once this is done, we can turn it around and spray the wall full of E-Spray. So we all know how much damage water can do when it penetrates your foundation, so I highly recommend this application for any residential or commercial project.